higher storage electric water heater. Packaging effectively protects the product. Better durability and premium quality. Precise temperature control. Enjoy a large amount of running water without residual heat. Easy installation. Magnesium rod. Isolate oxygen to avoid oxidation corrosion. Overheat protection. U-turn flow technology. Cold water is injected through inner pipelines and distributed evenly via 116 small holes in outer pipelines, raises the output rate by 24%. Untroubled water heater always. There are more options to choose from.